For me, I see the knowledge as an industry, not only as an economy, because it's a process. It's a clear process with steps. Each partner has a step to do, and these steps need enablers and policies, like Mr. Sharif explained. I think our problem is not only in the policies or in the ecosystem. It's mainly in the capacity and the knowledge of the universities and also the industries. In Egypt, we have more than 40,000 research papers every year. How many of these papers make it to be a product or a service? I doubt it's not as many as we all hope. Also, how many industries in Egypt has an R&D centers that's capable to work with the universities and with the knowledge industry in order to transform all these papers into real products? All our industry, they don't take the risk to invest in the knowledge industry. They don't take the risk to have their own R&D centers. They all go to the technology transfer. They go to other industry or other companies that already has these products. It's already developed, it's risk-free, and they just buy it. And here's the main gap, a gap that we saw at El Araby, and we spin off our R&D center to be one R&D center for the whole nation, for the whole industry, to support all the engineering industries in Egypt, and to support also the bridging the gap between the industry and the universities. This R&D center, it started years ago in 2009 with a dream to make this knowledge industry and knowledge economy in Egypt on the ground. It started by 4 engineers. They had some projects, a project after another. They launched in the market more than 100 projects at this moment. Also, if we look at the startup economy, startup ecosystem, we find that all the startups in Egypt are skewed towards the services, not the products. We have e-commerce companies, we have fintech companies, we have a lot of companies in the mobility, but there is seldom that we can find a company or two in the product industry. This also is a gap that the angel investors and also the companies and universities fear to take the risk to do a product that can be sold in the market. It needs a lot of research and development. It needs a lot of efforts to be developed. It needs a lot of investment at first hand before the product launches in the market. And this also where Photon X fills the gap. So Photon X, it's a house of design and development. It has a multidisciplinary engineers, more than 550 engineers. They take the process of the product development and bridge the gap from the industry to the market in each and every step. From the strategic design, where I can get and capture the market needs, the consumer needs, what the people really need in this product, to the industrial design, to shape this product and make it the look and feel of it, the features and the product specification, to the mechanical design, where the skeleton and the real product and performance is designed, to the hardware engineering, the PCBs and the circuits and the wiring, the software, how this product is going to work. And also we have a team for the motor design, to design our motors, do the simulations for all the designs we have. We do virtual simulations in order to cut the costs of the testing. We do also the packaging design for the final product. We have a prototyping facility in order to test all these designs and see if they're really up to the standards and the requirements already captured at the first of the process. And we have a cutting-edge facility for testing. It's all certified by the ISO 17025, and we hope that this company will be the cornerstone in the knowledge industry, where it can bridge the gap between the universities and the industries, to take the ideas, the research papers, and to turn it into real products, real physical products that can be marketed and sold in the market. Thank you all.